Something happens when they first touch me, they first land on me, little pads, they're on my hands or on my head, and my whole body, my whole existence, everything becomes now, becomes so present. Nothing in my life worries me because everything is right there, right now, right perfectly perfect. I'm addicted to this because I'm addicted to living. This is what I call living. This is me taking the opportunity to explore Mother Earth and explore my life the way my spirit was intended. I love animals. I love them so much. I love birds. They know I love them. I get asked, how do I do it? Especially of children. I say to the kids, don't throw food at them. Gift them the food. Never throw food at any animal or any human or